Hello, this is Baptiste from Crisp. Today I'm going to show you how to link Twitter direct messages to your Crisp inbox. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to developer.twitter.com so we can apply to a developer account. Click Apply. Then we click Apply for a developer account. You can say you're building a bot. Then you're going to have to fill some information about yourself. Now you're going to have to explain in few words how you plan to use the Twitter API. You can basically explain you plan to use the Twitter API to offer customer support using direct messages. We don't plan to analyze tweets. Now we can explain how we plan to use direct messages. We need to check this question because we're gonna use the direct messages. Here you can tell we plan to use the Twitter API to offer customer support using direct messages using a third-party software. Then you can untick all the other questions. Now to continue the tutorial, we're gonna have to wait that Twitter grants your application. Check your mailbox. In some cases, it can take some time. Now our application is granted, we can create our app. We go to Apps, Create an app. Here is our app name. Now we fill the application description, the website URL. Here you can tell we plan to use the Twitter API to offer customer support using direct messages using a third-party software. We create the app. Create. Our app is now created. We're gonna have to edit the permissions. Edit. We need to edit, read, write, and direct messages. Save. Now we're gonna have to create a dev environment. Dev environment. We need to set up the account activity API Sandbox. Set up dev environment. Crisp. And then we use the app we just created. Complete setup. Our Twitter app is now created. Now we're gonna have to configure Crisp to use this app. To do that, we need to go to app.crisp.chat, then to plugins. Search Twitter. Twitter DM. Install. Now we configure Twitter. Okay, so now we need 4 different keys. To get those keys, we go back to Twitter. Apps, details, keys and tokens. So those are the consumer API key. So this is the consumer API key. This is the secret key. Now we need 2 account tokens. We create the tokens. The first one and the last one. Great, so the Crisp plugin is now linked to our Twitter app. Now we can send a test message from our Twitter account. Let's try this. Hello there. Now we can reply from Crisp to the message we just sent. Hey there. And we received the message on Twitter. I hope this video tutorial was useful to you. You can also contact us on crisp.chat if you have any issue. Thanks!